Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I am back with another Sephora Favorites kits. This one is Sephora Favorites Iconic Hair Cult Classic Collection. It's a box that looks like this, and this one says hairstyle, treat and refresh hair with our collection of classic heroes. It's a box that costs $32 and the value of this is $69. Again, looks like this, and let's see what kind of goodies we have in this one. So far I see here 8 products, and the first and I like the way they are in the box in this plastic, so nothing falls, everything stays in place. The first product in here, it's from Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I don't think I tried this one, but I will for sure. Also, those are deluxe samples. You can get about, in my opinion, 3 usage from one of these. Depend of the length of your hair, because if you have very short hair, you can use it probably 4 times. If you have a very long hair, maybe twice. So the next product in here is from Alterna. This is Caviar CC Cream 3-in-1 Leave-In Hair Perfector, which looks like this. Told you, I don't know how many times I will say that again. The third product in here is by Y. I don't know how to pronounce this, but anyway, you'll get the idea. It's texturizing hairspray. It's a bigger size. Then we have here, as in most of the hair care boxes, we have Moroccan oil treatment, and this one is a big size, at least it seems to be for me. We have here a product that I can't wait to try. This one is Christophe Robin, is the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. It's like a scalp scrub. I tried one from another brand, was okay. I think I had that in one of the samples of the week, but I heard this one is a great one. So I love the idea of scalp scrubs. They work very well, I would say. Then we have a dry bar product. This is Detox Dry Shampoo. And 2 more products in this box. One of them is Living Proof Prime Style Extender. Is this one. And the last one in here, we have a Bumble and Bumble product. This is the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, and says here Heat Protective Primer, which looks like this. It's a spray. So this was the last product in this box. So far, great brands in this kit, good sizes also. If you're looking for a new product, those kits are great to try some of them and see what you like. If you like something from those kits, in my opinion, I think it's impossible to not like something from them. But anyway, here is the box again, a great assortment of products. They have on the Sephora website a ton of hair boxes like this, all kind of dry shampoo boxes, hair mask boxes, and many others. It's kind of hard to choose one, but anyway, when I'll get one, I will show you what's in that one, and also in the samples of the week. In the future, you're gonna see those products for sure. So thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. You have a great time, and I'll see you soon with another video. That's all for today. You have a great day. Bye bye. Or maybe that's all for this video. Never knows what comes next. So again, you have a great day. Bye bye.